WIGO stands for when you get old. I'm 53 years old. Love make. Hi everyone, WIGO Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, WIGO stands for when you get old. I'm 53 years old, love makeup, skincare, and doing unboxing videos. So if you're here to see what's in the June 2020 Ipsy Plus box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, it's that time of the month where Ipsy is here. For those who aren't aware, Ipsy is a $25 a month beauty subscription where you get 5 full-size products. Let's look in the box and pray we have a card. We have some form of paper, but I have a feeling it's going to be an advert. Yes. It says, "Here comes the sun." Ipsy, why do you not send me cards? I really enjoy reading about the product and seeing what the MSRP is. Okay. Let's see what the first product is. Okay, this is Nacific Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream. Okay, well, Ipsy, you redeemed yourself slightly because I love skincare. Alright, the box is sealed on the outside. Ooh, this is made in Korea. I love Korean skincare. And it's an eye cream with calendula. I will look up, post on the screen what calendula is. Alright, Ipsy. So far so good. Next item. Does it say flesh or fresh? I think it says flesh. What is this? Flesh to Flesh highlighting powder. Okay. I did just get a highlighter recently. I cannot remember which box, but I digress. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very nice. If it's plastic, it's the nice kind that makes you think for a second that it's metal or wood. Ooh, it has a nice mirror. And there's the highlighter. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, it feels very creamy, powdery. Don't know how much that's showing up on camera. On my finger, it's showing up a little more. Alright, Ipsy, you're 2 for 2. Alright, next item. From Ciate London, which is a brand we often get in the Ipsy box, and this is Marbled Metals. Not sure what that is. I'm going to speculate some sort of a eyeshadow, but we shall see. Alright. That's what the packaging looks like. Very, very tiny. The lid is 3 times the size of the bottom portion here. Interesting. It's like a little tapper. Is this like a loose? What is this? Why is there no card? It's like purple and green. This has to be an eyeshadow. I'm just going in with my finger and we're going to find out. Ooh, I thought it was going to be dry. It feels very creamy. Oh, it's a duochrome eyeshadow. Oh, that's pretty. It looks super dark in the jar, but that is, ooh. Ipsy, are you 3 for 3? Comment down below if you subscribe to Ipsy Plus and kind of feel the same way I do, where they're a little hit or miss. And let's just say I've had a few more misses than hits. So we're doing good. Okay, next item. I recognize this brand. I've never owned anything from this brand. People rave and talk about it all the time. This is from Thrive Beauty. And this is Lip Mate High Shine Reviving Topper. Okay. I already have a lip product on, but if it's a topper, we can try it on and see what it looks like. Yay, a box that didn't take me 10 minutes to open. Oh, or maybe not. I don't know. This color's kind of scaring me. Let's do a swatch. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it looks very colorful, but when I pull it out, it looks like it's going to be kind of sheer. Oh yeah, although it feels like it's going to be sticky. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It's right there. Alright, we're going in. Why do I keep saying we? I'm going in. Oh. That is nice. It is very pink, so if you don't like a light pink, but it's not super pigmented. I like it. It's not sticky, but it's thick, if that makes sense. Oh, I forgot to smell. No scent, no taste or flavor, and I almost would prefer that, because comment down below if you feel the same. I love lip products, liquid lipsticks, lip glosses. They smell really good, like cake. They taste sweet on your lips. However, when I go to eat my dinner, I don't, like every bite, I still get that sweet taste, and I'm eating like a bean burrito or something that's savory, and I don't like sweet interrupting my savory food dishes, if that makes sense. Let me know if anyone else feels the same, or if I'm just weird. And we know I'm weird. Okay, I'm about to say something out loud, and it's been a long time. We are 4 for 4 with Ipsy. Alright, we may stop there, because I just saw what the last item was. Although it's very thick. I'm not into face masks. Not saying it's bad. This is a face mask by either JC or JG Wakepure Shiso Calming Mask. Okay. Oh! There's a second mask. So you get 2. And these feel really thick. Not only do you get 2, there are 3 masks per. So you know what, Ipsy? I'm going to give you a 5 for 5. Even though I personally don't wear face masks. Usually in boxes you get 1 mask, and they call it full size. Here we're getting 2. And they're 2 3-packs. I'm blown away. It's very rare that I can say Ipsy's blown me away. Okay, and then the last item, which is the bag. It's a mint green with women of various skin tones lying on a towel at the beach. Not my favorite. Just, I like the concept. Just, I'm more of a give me a plain shade one. I swear to God, this bag is smaller than the last one. Okay, and it has, once again, that lemony yellow bright color. But we won't focus on the bag. We're going to focus on the fantastic products we got this month. Let's recap. We got a Korean Beauty eye cream. We got a Thrive Cosmetics lip gloss. We got a Ciate London Duochrome eyeshadow. We got a highlighter from a company called Flesh. And we got not one, but two, 3-packs of face masks. That's a pretty good box. That's a very good box. I feel I owe that to Ipsy. That is a really good box, Ipsy. So, leave your comments down below. Did you enjoy your Ipsy Plus this month? What are your thoughts on that bag? I will use it. I use bags left and right to sort all of my products. Not my favorite, but thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.